To be a performing artist, you obviously have to go on stage. The experience of stage gives you the confidence to build up and to develop your skill even more. However many mistakes you make on stage, always remember that is the ultimate goal for any performing artist. So here is a Rangmanch Ka Tukra. Rangmanch is the stage. Tukra is a piece of bowls. It's a salutation to the stage and also a sort of a informal hello to the audience and the musicians, the technicians, everybody around you. Together, you want to say, here I am, I want to give my regards to the stage where I shall be performing, and may the God give our His blessings to all of us. That is what a Rangmanch Tukra is. Also, in the Hindu style, you do the Namaskaram, and in the Mughal style, you do the Adab. Both have been combined in this particular Rangmanch Ka Tukra simply because though Kathak was nurtured in the temples, when the Mughals came to India, the Mughal aspect of dance was gradually weaved into the system. The society accepted the dance. We see a lot of change in the costume, the jewelry, the language, whereas in the Hindu, when it was only Hindi and Sanskrit, we now have Urdu, Farsi, Persian, and also the stylization developed in a different way. So here's a Rangmanch Ka Tukra that combines the Namaskar and also the Adab. Let's divide this section. First, we walk forward with the 8-step chakra. 1, 2, 3, and a heel. Go back, 2, 3, 4. In the position, Samatal, Tat, Tat. Now, Theya is a very graceful Lasya movement. Theya, Theya. Take it forward. Diagonally up, Theya, Theya. Move your hand in a circular movement. Klan, Pushpak, Klan, Tat, Tat. Now sharp movement towards your right. Do not let your head go before. Let the hands go first and then the eyes and the face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. Pushpak, Pushpak, and Namaskar. Then again Samatal. Now you have to go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder movement. And lower your eyes in position. Samatal again. And then bend. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and dha.